Go ahead. It's okay.
All right, Miss Kate, can you read the first learning target for me?
Katie. You hold this videotape for a second.
Good job. It says, I can tell you 9 words in the at family. Hold up, 9 fingers. Does that seem like a lot? No, you can do it. Trust me, you can do it. How about our other one? Raise your hand if you would like to read this one for me, Logan.
Can I stand up and get it?
Uh-huh. Let me see better.
I can read the sentences.
It's a big word. Smoothly.
And with
expression. Thank you. It says, I can read the sentence smoothly and with expression. What does smoothly mean?
I know what
do you think, Bailey? What does smoothly mean? And not be maybe choppy. So if I were to read this first sentence and I said, I can tell you 9 words in the at family. Is that smoothly?
No.
No. If I read it like this, I can tell you 9 words in the at family. Is that smoothly?
Yeah.
Yeah. What does it mean to do something with expression? Raise your hand. What does it mean to do something with expression? Carter. Who else has an idea? Jaden, do you know? Josie, what do you think? Not what? Not hard, but softly? Kind of. If I was reading a question or a sentence that said, I love ice cream, and I said, I love ice cream, am I reading that with expression?
No.
What if I said, I love ice cream? Is that with expression?
Yeah.
Yes, that's with
That
expression.
means like excited words.
Yes, you're gonna say something slowly or faster, using your emotions with it. Okay? So we're gonna learn about at family words, and we're gonna learn to read smoothly and with expression in our voice. Okay? So first, you guys get to watch a video. So you can turn your bodies to face the board. While you're watching this, kindergarten, this is about the at family. Okay? So think in your head while we're watching it, your favorite at words that you get to see.
Make the word hat. R says rat, 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 at. Make the word rat. C says coat, coat, hat. Make the word cat. There are many more words that use the sound at. Just like all words, that's a fat, that's a chat, that's a flat. Let's use some of these rowdy words in a new song that you've never heard. A cat named Pat jumped on a mat. She made a rat and got too fat to wear her new fancy hat. After that she lay real flat.
Cat was cool.
That was cool.
That cat was cool.
Turn your bodies and
The
face
cat
me.
was fast.
So we actually get to kind of play with that poem of words. We actually get to do some things with that. So, I want to see who can remember some of the at words from that video. So think in your head, for a minute. Think in your head first
I'm done.
of an at word that you remember. And if you're done and you have an at word you remember, then show me a thumbs up. And I'll know you've got it. Okay, Lindsay, did you think of a word? An at word in your head? Okay. Turn to your partner and quietly share your at word that you remember from the movie. Or even if it's a new one that's not in the movie, that's okay. Now, I'm going to ask for volunteers to come up and fill in our beginning sound to make at words. Gabe, would you like to go first? Come on up. So up here, who are the ones that you remember? What did he write, kindergarten?
Bat.
Bat. Is that a good at word?
Yes.
Is that a make sense word? Yeah? Okay, choose a girl. Go next. Someone sitting crisscross and quiet. What did she write?
Bat.
Fat. Is that a good at word? Yes. Good job, Kate. Choose a boy. All right, Mr. Ben. Oh, you said, can you share faces so I can share my faces if you don't feel like What did he write?
Dat.
Dat. With a D? Dat? Is dat a real at word? Or is maybe
Adele.
that a nonsense made up word?
Nonsense.
Maybe a nonsense made up word? So could we help out Ben? Can you think of another one we could tell him? Ben, call on someone to help give you an idea. What do you think, Sydney? Just tell him who you're
C.
A C. Want to try C, Ben? Now, what did he write?
Cat.
Cat. Ben, is that a good word? Good at word? Yeah. Okay, choose a girl. Try another. Choose a girl. Quick. What do you think?
I don't even
All right. Ooh, kindergarten, what'd she write? Hat. Is that a good at word?
Yes.
Yes. Choose a boy. Two more. All right, Mr. Chris. Oh, what is Chris writing? Rat. Is rat a good at word?
Yes.
Yep. All right, one more. Choose a girl, Chris.
I will do African.
We have one more at word we're going to fill in. Logan, we're choosing girls, silly.
Oh. He's a boy. Oh, I did this.
All right, Miss Josie, one more. You need some help? Who can help out Josie? Parker, what do you think?
FL.
FL. Who's writing FL?
What? Oh. And the L is straight down.
What did you write, kindergarten?
Flat.
Flat. Is that a good at word?
Yes.
It is a good at word.
But I was gonna say,
So Miss Josie, can you erase our board for us? Thank you. Good job, kindergarten. And you know what? I think almost all of those words were even from our movie.
I was gonna say that. Mama. was a rat. I know.
All right, kindergarten. 1, 2, 3. Eyes on me. Try that again. 1, 2, 3. Eyes on me.
1, 2, eyes on you.
Everybody point at the first sentence and read it out loud with me. The cat named Pat sat on a mat.
Pat.
Do you remember that from the first line of the movie? Read the second sentence. She ate a rat. So if I remember, I was talking about having sentences when you read them smoothly, right? So if I wanted to read this first sentence smoothly, where do you think I would want to stop when I'm reading my words? Would I go, the cat named Pat sat on a mat, really fast? No. Would I go, the cat named, then wait for a second, and then say Pat?
Yes.
Would that make sense? If I went, the cat named
Yes.
Pat sat on a mat.
No.
No, that doesn't really sound right, does it? So where do you think I should pause? The cat, pause,
No.
named Pat,
Go.
pause, sat, pause,
Yes.
on a mat.
Yes.
Let's see if that makes sense. Let's read it together. The cat, named Pat, sat on a mat. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Does that sound right to your ear?
Yes.
Let's read it one more time. I heard some no's. The cat, named Pat, sat on a mat.
Yes.
Yeah, does that sound right?
Yeah.
So, who do you think could come up and do the same thing with our second sentence? Sydney, come and show me.
Yes.
Where would we start? We'd say she
You're right.
and ate a rat. Where do you think we would put our first pause? She. So draw me a little scoop under she. She. What else do you think, Sydney? She ate a rat. Would you put a scoop under ate or under ate a rat? Okay, and then would you scoop the rest of it? So let's read that together and we'll pause where Sydney said, she ate a rat. Does that sound right?
Yes.
Does that sound good to you guys?
Yes.
What if I paused right after the and I said she ate a rat? Does that sound right to your ear? Not really. That's not how we would really talk, is it? That's not how we would really talk. Awesome, Sydney. Thank you. Okay, this is a big one. I want you guys to do this one with me. You ready? Point at the board. Point at, oh, Kate's doing good listening. Daly's doing good listening. Parker, Ben, Ty. Everybody point at the board. Adam, let me see your point. Yeah. Okay, ready? She got too fat to wear her fancy hat. You guys tell me where we should pause. She, you pause there?
No.
She got too fat.
Yeah.
Should we stop after fat? Or should we, do you think so?
No.
No? Where do you think we should stop?
After fat.
After fat? Let's try that. Got too fat. Do I stop after two?
Yeah.
To wear her fancy hat? So would I say
Stop
two
at
and then stop?
Stop at hat.
Stop at hat. So Carter thinks we should do the whole thing together. To wear her fancy hat. Oh, where did I pause right then?
Where?
To wear, yeah, her fancy hat. So what if I did it to wear? Her fancy hat, does that all go together?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm doing more.
All right, let's try to read this together. She, but wait, we have to pause where our scoop goes up, right? Yeah, okay, so try it again. We'll pause where our scoop goes up. She got too fat to wear her fancy hat. Does that make sense? Does it sound right to your ear? Should we read the whole sentence one more time to make sure it sounds right? All of them?
Yeah.
Chris says all of them. You want to read all of them?
Yeah.
All right, ready? The cat named Pat sat on a mat. She ate a rat. She got too fat to wear her fancy hat. Good job.
That's like this.
That
If
was
you had
awesome.
8 lines, I'll do
Do you know what you all just did? You just read the sentence smoothly and with expression. Nice job. Now, remember our other learning target? I can tell you 9 words in the at family. Oh, we just did 6 on the board. And I bet you can remember the other ones. So,
Cat.
what I'm going to do,
And watch the movie again.
you're going to think
You already did that.
in your head. Who are the helpers? Parker and Sydney? Parker and Sydney, come here.
That's a baseball bat.
Okay, Parker and Sydney have your exit ticket, JP. Watch out, Sydney. Your exit ticket means that before you can go, Parker, stand over here so they can see. And sit crisscross so they can see. Before you can go and work on your book that I'm going to show you that I made for you guys, you have to tell Parker or Sydney your at word that you remember. And they are going to write it down. You think you can handle that, John? You think you can handle that? Okay. They're going to write it down. So, when I tell you, you guys are going to get in a line next to Parker and next to Sydney, and you'll tell them your at word.
Are the boys
Okay.
going to be with the boys?
Carter,
and the
I
girls
need you
gonna be
to
with the girls?
wait until I call on your raised hand, okay? Yes, Carter, thank you for raising your hand.
Are the boys going to be with the boys?
You know what? That would have been a good idea.
And the girls going to be with the
With
Sydney?
Sydney. That would have been a really good idea if I had thought of that.
No.
Nope. Instead, it's alphabetical order, so I'll tell you guys what line's going. But that's a good idea for me next time, Carter. I like that idea. Okay? So, what you guys get to do, once you tell them your favorite at word, you're going to take this book, and you're going to go sit at your spot at the table. You're going to put your name on the front. What's the name of this book?
My family book.
My at Family Book. This book matches the video. So, oh, thank you, Daly. So, you are going to be able to fill in the what? Chris says it. Chris said it. The cat named. Do you remember the name? Cat sat on a mat. So you're going to go in and fill in the missing letters. And guess what? If you get to the end, it's so easy for you. You get to the end, you say, oh, easy peasy, lemon squeezy, I can do more. You can make up as many at words as you want on that page. So, when you finish kindergarten, you can fill in your at words in the back. You can then color until we're ready to come back to the carpet. You can color any pictures in your book. Okay? So, step 1. I will tell you to come stand in Parker's line or Sydney's line, and you are going to give them your at family word, right? Step 2, I will give you one of these, and you can go get started in your book. What goes on the front? Your name. If your first name starts with an A, go ahead and stand up as I call you. A B, a C. If your first name starts with a D, an E, a G, or a J, come stand in front of Sydney and come that way. And Sydney, you're going to write your name. Everyone else, come stand in front of Parker.
Will you check? Yeah.
Your first name starts with a B.
And Ben.
What's your word? And if you can't think of one, you can go back to the end of the line until you think of one. Daily. Okay. Everything's three J's. You're over there, so.
I'm wet.
Hey, guys, get your book from me before you go, okay?
It's spinning around. It's in my No, because look. Please.
Christian,
Find a spot. Hey, Ty.
boys, let me send it these two.
Oh, I told him he could, but
Okay, but I don't want to.
No, he's not.
Josie, you're actually.
Look how big my head is. Look how big my head is. Why were you in that? Me too. Am I in? What is that supposed to be?
Bryson, your book?
Where's your book?
Get your book.
I don't know Indian.
Right
C8. What if you put a C?
She already finished the whole thing.
I said chair. Wait, hey, wait, Jack. Yeah, just to get a
How are you doing, Gabe? The cat named Pat. What did he do? Sat.
Down. What's his name? What's
And what did he do, Alexis? The last one should be good. What did he do on the map? Not there yet. The cat named Pat. What did he do? He something on a beautiful. Yes.